Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather pattern here in the ArkLaTex, and it looks like we'll be watching a couple of things. The main disturbance on the way for the weekend. In the meantime, we'll be watching a cold front, which is going to end the big warm-up that we've seen over the course of the last couple of days. You can see that front, which will bring some cooler air to the ArkLaTex tomorrow. Still a little bit above normal, but for the most part, we are looking at temperatures that will be, again, about 10 degrees cooler than what we experienced during the day today. In fact, take a look at those daytime highs across the area tomorrow, and we will see readings that will climb into the low 70s north, mid to upper 70s across the southern half of the area. That includes 78 in Shreveport and 72 in Texarkana. And during the course of the next couple of days, not really a whole lot as far as rainfall across the areas. Tonight, looking at a mostly cloudy sky, as we'll see the clouds increase a bit late tonight. And then tomorrow, expect lots of clouds. Rain chances very, very small during the day tomorrow. Slight chance we might see a little bit of rain southern sections of the area late. But that activity, if it does develop, will move out very quickly. And then Friday, we're looking at the return of quite a bit of sunshine across the ArkLaTex. We will see a nice way to close out the work week. Now, as far as the next disturbance on the way, you can see it now moving into Southern California. This is what's going to move to the east and give us a pretty good shot for the thunderstorms this weekend. The Storm Prediction Center already indicating a slight risk for severe weather for our area. Our main threat will be Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and it could linger into Sunday morning. But it looks like we will see the prime time Saturday afternoon through Saturday night. The worst of the severe weather probably will be Sunday to the east of the ArkLaTex, the way it checks out right now. Obviously, it's only Wednesday, so we'll be fine-tuning things. So let's give you a look at the overall weather pattern here heading first of all, into the weekend with FUTURECAST, and you can see that Friday night we'll see the clouds increase across the area. Notice the showers increasing, then some thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. That activity will begin to move to the east Saturday night, and still a few leftover showers, maybe even a thunderstorm possible Sunday morning, and then we'll see everything shift more towards the east Sunday afternoon. Now, as far as rainfall potential, this is a look at, first of all, the overall weather pattern. You can see that disturbance, which is going to be sliding its way towards the ArkLaTex here with the prime time here. Again, as I mentioned, late Saturday, Saturday night. Once this feature moves through, notice the stronger storm Sunday to the east of the ArkLaTex. Now, this is possibly a little bit fast. Other models a little bit slower, so we will have to keep an eye on this system for the weekend, and then we'll kind of settle into a drier weather pattern. Have to keep an eye on a weak disturbance towards the middle of next week, but for the most part, most of our rain in the week ahead will occur as we look ahead to this weekend. And here's one model's depiction of how much rain we might experience. You can see that it is still showing the heaviest totals across the south. Quick look at the numbers from FUTURECAST here, and you can see it from basically through much of Saturday night that it is showing rainfall potential, which probably is a little bit more realistic. 1 to 2 inches across most of the area, with amounts probably not quite as high across the northern sections of the area. So your 7-day forecast looks like this. We will see, again, a couple of nice days, 78 tomorrow, 72 with sunshine for Friday. Storms return for Saturday. Severe weather will be possible. All severe weather threats on the table, especially for the southern half of the area. Could have a lingering storm Sunday morning, and then we'll dry out as we head into the first part of next week, with highs eventually cooling to the 60s, lows eventually cooling to the 40s.